It is a United Nations sanctioned day to raise awareness about biodiversity issues and promote conservation efforts. The date commemorates the adoption of the Convention on Biological Diversity text in 1992. Theme 2025. Harmony with nature and sustainable development. This theme aligns directly with the Kunming-Montreal Global Biodiversity Framework and the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. This theme emphasizes that increasing the KMGBF and the SDGs in tandem is critical for a sustainable future. Significance of Theme 2025. The theme for the International Day for Biological Diversity 2025, Harmony with Nature and Sustainable Development, is highly significant for several reasons. Integrating biodiversity and the SDGs. The theme emphasizes that biodiversity is not a separate issue. It is foundational to achieving the UN Sustainable Development Goals. Food security, clean water, health, climate action, and poverty reduction all rely on healthy ecosystems. Implementing the Kunming-Montreal Global Biodiversity Framework. Adopted in 2022, the KMGBF provides a global blueprint to halt and reverse biodiversity loss by 2030. This theme encourages stronger alignment of KMGBF targets with national development plans, implementation of biodiversity policies that also advance human development. Reconnecting humans and nature. The theme promotes the idea that humans are part of nature, not separate from it. Harmony with nature means respecting ecological limits, valuing traditional knowledge, encouraging sustainable lifestyles and consumption. Climate biodiversity link. The climate change and biodiversity loss are interlinked crises. This theme recognizes that solutions like nature-based climate action, for example, restoring forests, wetlands, oceans, can address both challenges together. A call to action. The theme serves as a call to policymakers, businesses, and individuals to treat biodiversity as essential infrastructure. Make nature-positive decisions in economic and social planning. Raise awareness and involve communities in conservation efforts. The 2025 theme reflects a holistic vision that human development must not come at the cost of nature. Instead, true sustainability comes only when people live in balance with biodiversity, ensuring a thriving planet for current and future generations. Objective or goals of Theme 2025. Raise awareness about the vital role of biodiversity in sustainable development. Promote implementation of the Kunming-Montreal Global Biodiversity Framework. Encourage harmony between human activity and nature. inspire action for biodiversity conservation at all levels of society. Highlight links between biodiversity and the UN Sustainable Development Goals. Support ecosystem restoration and nature-based solutions. Empower communities through education and public engagement. Recognize indigenous knowledge and support local stewardship of nature. Foster global cooperation for biodiversity protection. Celebrate progress and share successful biodiversity initiatives. 10 key focus areas of 2025. Ecosystem restoration. Rehabilitate degraded ecosystems such as forests, wetlands, grasslands, and coral reefs. Support the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration efforts. Sustainable agriculture and food systems. Promote biodiversity-friendly farming practices. Reduce pesticide use, enhance soil health, and conserve pollinators and native species. Climate biodiversity synergy. Implement nature-based solutions that address both biodiversity loss and climate change. Protect carbon-rich ecosystems like mangroves, peatlands, and old-growth forests. Indigenous knowledge and rights. Recognize and incorporate indigenous peoples' traditional ecological knowledge. Protect indigenous land rights and ensure their involvement in biodiversity governance. Sustainable consumption and production. Encourage responsible consumption to reduce waste and overexploitation of natural resources. Promote circular economy practices and biodiversity-friendly products. Pollution reduction. Tackle plastic, chemical, and air pollution, all of which threaten biodiversity. Enforce stricter controls and promote eco-friendly alternatives. Urban biodiversity and green infrastructure. Develop green cities with urban forests, rooftop gardens, and protected green spaces. Incorporate biodiversity planning into urban development policies. Marine and coastal protection. Establish and manage marine protected areas. Promote sustainable fishing, restore coral reefs, and reduce ocean pollution. Education, awareness, and youth engagement. Integrate biodiversity education into school curriculum and community outreach. Empower youth as biodiversity champions and innovators. Stronger policy integration and global cooperation. Align national biodiversity strategies with Kunming Montreal Global Biodiversity Framework and the SDGs. Facilitate international collaboration, funding, and technology transfer. Focusing on these areas can create real, lasting change, protecting life on Earth while supporting sustainable development for all.